theme this year for the Lead Yourself event is taking action.
I started in Kitchener back in '99, 4 years in the private sector, and then in June of 2012, I joined the business center Co-Founder.
Cool.
That's when we met.
Awesome.
I think, we're all leaders. So in any given situation, you need to be able to converse with a person and recognize when they might be uncomfortable.
To a lot of people who like to get things done, taking action is sort of their MO. And so I'll be focusing our time on how to get those folks closer when they get in the parking lot at the end of the event. They're ready to go.
There's a lot of things that used to hold me back that aren't holding me back now. I realized that courage and doing things in spite of how you feel has been a big component to arriving where I'm at today.
It's one thing to say I'm listening, it's another thing to actually listen. And no one tells you that. You don't learn that. Yeah, exactly. I'm already thinking about what I'm going to say before you finish talking, and it's like, no, listening.
What if we can streamline some of that so that you're doing more of what you love with the people you love, and a lot more purposeful and proactive in the things you actually want to accomplish? Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's a great question.